10 common NAS problems and how to fix them. Network Attached Storage NAS. Devices are widely used for centralized data storage, file sharing, backups, and media streaming, both in homes and businesses. However, like any hardware and software system, NAS devices can encounter various issues that may impact performance, data integrity, or accessibility. Understanding the most common NAS problems and knowing how to fix them can save you from costly downtime, data loss, or security breaches. 1. Drive failures. One of the most frequent issues in NAS systems is hard drive failure. This can happen due to age, overheating, or manufacturing defects. Regular SMART monitoring, using high-quality NAS-rated drives, and setting up RAID can help reduce the risk. Replacing failed drives immediately and ensuring proper RAID rebuild procedures is essential. 2. RAID degradation or failure. When a drive in a RAID array fails, the array becomes degraded. If another drive fails before rebuilding, data loss can occur. Keep backups. Replace failed drives promptly, and ensure you understand the RAID level's tolerance. 3. Network connectivity issues. Slow transfer speeds or complete disconnection from a network can result from faulty Ethernet cables, incorrect IP settings, or router issues. Check cables, assign static IPs, and ensure port forwarding is correctly configured for remote access. 4. Overheating. NAS units need proper ventilation. Overheating can lead to system shutdowns or hardware damage. Place your NAS in a cool, well-ventilated area and clean fans and vents regularly. 5. Firmware or software bugs. Outdated firmware or buggy updates can lead to crashes or instability. Always backup configurations before upgrading firmware and apply updates only from trusted sources. 6. User access problems. Incorrect user permissions or misconfigured access control settings may prevent users from accessing shared folders. Double-check user groups, access rules, and password policies to fix this. 7. Data corruption. Power outages or improper shutdowns can cause file system errors. Use a UPS uninterruptible power supply. Enable journaling file systems and perform regular file system checks. 8. Remote access not working. When remote access fails, it could be due to ISP blocking ports, misconfigured DDNS, or firewall issues. Use VPNs for secure access and verify that NAS remote services are correctly configured. 9. App compatibility or crashes. Some third-party apps may crash or conflict with others on the NAS. Keep apps updated. Avoid installing unverified plugins and monitor system logs or errors. 10. Insufficient storage space. Over time, NAS storage can fill up unexpectedly. Set up storage alerts, review file usage, delete old backups, and consider expanding capacity using additional drives or external expansion units.